Tirukkolar Pen Pillai Rahasam is a Tamil text and there are about 81 sentences and they were spoken by a card seller to Sri Ramanuja of Vaishnava tradition. Tirukkolar is a Divya Desam in Tamil Nadu. We are going to look into the 31st sentence of this text. Kudai Mudalanadu Aneno Ananta Alvan Pole. Ananta Alvan was none other than Adisesha. As Adisesha, he served Lord Vishnu in so many ways. When he would walk, he will become his umbrella. When he stood, he would become his padukas. When he wanted to sit, he would become his seat. When he slept, he was his bed. And he had some powerful gems on him and he was also emitting some light. In Rama Avatar, he was none other than Lakshmana. When Rama and Sita had to go to forest, Lakshmana accompanied them and Lakshmana's mother told Lakshmana that he should look after them like his own parents. She went to the extent of saying that in case Rama and Sita could not come back, you should also not come back. You should be with them only. This was how she talked to Lakshmana. Lakshmana also took penance. He did penance. He took some mantras from Nidra Devi so that he won't get sleep. So he was watching Rama and Sita throughout their time in the forest. He was safeguarding them. In Krishna Avatar, he was none other than Balram. The relationship between Krishna and Balram, the love between them can be seen in Bhagavatam in many chapters. We are just touching superficially certain points. In Rama Avatar, one day as a child Rama was crying so much and he could not be consoled at all. The matter was so serious that it went to their Kulaguru Vasishta himself. Vasishta came to that spot and he told, bring Lakshmana and make him sleep next to Rama. Rama will stop crying. This was one of the Bala Leelas which took place. As soon as Lakshmana arrived, Rama stopped crying. So as Adisesha, we saw how he served Vishnu. As Lakshmana, how he served in Rama Avatar, we saw. And Balram and Krishna were, I should say, inseparable in many of the Leelas in Gokulam as well as in Vrindavan. Now, as Ramanuja, what he did in Kali Yuga. We can look into two incidents which took place. One in Tirupati and another in Srirangam. In Tirupati, at one time there was little confusion about the deity, whether it was Lord Muruga or Lord Vishnu or Parashakti. So Ramanuja went and cleared that confusion. He advised the people there to keep three important symbols which belong to the deities. For Lord Muruga, they kept Vel. For Lord Vishnu, they kept Shanku and Chakram. For Parashakti, they had kept Simhavahanam. And he told the people there, we'll keep them outside the temple and Lord will choose his symbol and from that we will know who was the presiding deity there. Next day when they saw, when they saw, the Shanku and Chakra were not there. So it was decided that it was Lord Vishnu as Venkateshwara was the ruling deity in Tirupati. Then what he did in Srirangam? He organized the entire puja methods and the ritual structure and different utsavs were taking place and he brought systematic system to everything in Srirangam temple, and his contribution to both these temples, they all stand forever. Recalling all these incidences, Tirukkolur Penpillai said that she never served like this in her life. And then she said she was not competent to stay there and she was leaving Tirukkolur.